You guys, it's another day, another shoe unboxing. I got 15 pairs of shoes for $80, and I can't wait to share with you what I got. Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, my name's Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. On my channel, I do unboxing videos. I also share how to make money online as well as in person at like buy, sell, trade, sell stores or Facebook Marketplace. So today I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I got from Thredup. I had 15 pairs of shoes for $80. So I'm gonna see if I will make my money back or not. So sometimes they actually package them up really nicely and put them in rubber bands and keep them together, but this time they just happened to throw them all in, which is totally fine. Until you get to the heels that tend to poke on some of the leather, so I try to get them out as fast as possible so it doesn't poke holes that weren't already there when they shipped them. So the first pair is just a pair of Reebok tennis shoes. They're in really good condition, so I know they're gonna sell. It's just not gonna be for a huge profit, so probably about $20 to $30 listed. And I can expect to probably walk out the door with it selling for $20 minus all the fees depending on which site it sells on. And another pair of really good condition shoes, and of course they are Chuck Converse, something that sells really, really good, and they're in really good condition. So I'm not quite for sure why they didn't take them. They're a size 6, and again, there's nothing really wrong with them. But this is a great find. Converse sell really quickly, especially that they are a little bit of the higher top. I'd probably be able to sell them for $25 to $30, maybe more. So these are just a pair of Naote, which is a semi-designer brand for women. And these are in good condition. It's a leather. And again, there's really not really any wear to them. I'll have to look up comps, but I believe Naote does really good. And I could probably price those at 30 plus, maybe closer to 50. I sold another pair for about 80, but they were more of a tennis shoe. So this is just Bangs. I'll have to look up the brand because I'm not familiar with it, but all in all, they're in really, really good condition, maybe just worn a couple times. And this is kind of a trendy style, so I guarantee I can get $20 to $30 out of those. So far, nothing that I'm going to have to take to the buy, sell, trade, sell store. And then I pull out these. These are just Chinese laundry, point toe, slip-on shoes. This will be something that I'll probably just go ahead and take to the buy, sell, trade, sell store and see what they'll give me. But I believe they're flat slip-ons. They usually price $8 to $12 depending. And this is just Chinese laundry, so it's not like a designer brand. But I bet I'll be able to get $3 to $5 from them. Oh, awesome. Another pair of Converse high tops. So I guarantee the reason why they didn't take them is they just have a little bit of light dirt on them. But honestly, that sometimes makes the Converse sell better. But these are in immaculate condition. And again, these are a size 6. So I'm not sure why they passed on those. And those will sell for a decent amount as well. Okay. I have no idea how to even pronounce this brand, but these are in good condition also. There's like barely any wear to the suede, and the bottoms are in decent condition. I'll have to look up comps for that one. Okay, some black fox suede heels, and it's just Franco Sarto. These will be another example of something that I'll probably just go ahead and take directly to Style Encore. And they'll probably price those about 15 to 18. So again, I'll get a third of that. This is a pair of Splendid cork shoe or cork heel. And they're in really good condition. Definitely been worn. I bet they passed just because of the bottoms, and then they have just a little bit of fading here, but overall they're in really good condition. So they were taking care of these. I will just take these directly to the buy, sell, trade, sell store just so I don't really have to clean them up at all. All right, some Booties by Dolce Vita. So it's not a super high-end brand, but this is a real suede, and Booties are in right now, if I can find the other one. So these will probably sell for maybe 25 to 30 bucks, and they're in really good condition. New, they were $130. So hey, not too shabby, and they look like, honestly, they have not even been worn. So that'll be good. I might keep that tag on then. All right, a pair of Haan made in Italy, Haan collection, and they are just like a stiletto heel. They're in really good condition. It's just stilettos are just not really in right now, so I don't know about those. I'll probably end up listing them myself because I doubt Style Encore takes them, but we'll see. All right, this is a pair of Mix number 9, just heels. And unfortunately, the patent leather has some like black marks on them. And sometimes you can get that off with a magic eraser, but sometimes it's just not, you can't remove them. So I don't know, I'm not gonna list these because Mix It is not even that good of a brand. So I don't really wanna waste my time. I'll try and take them to the store. If not, it's fine. All right, these are called Public Desire. I have not heard of the brand, but these are a cute style. And I like that you pull on the top rather than zip. And those are in good condition. I will have to look them up. Okay, so these are really ugly. Go Max slip-on semi-heel. And they have a lot of peeling to the leather and stuff around it. So due to style and the peeling of the leather, I won't be listing this one myself. Oh, this is an awesome, awesome find. Some Ugg boots. So they look like they're worn, but you gotta keep in mind that Ugg typically does that. They are barely worn. Check that out. So I don't know why Thredup doesn't check the bottoms of shoes instead of just looking at, you know, the style. Because if you don't look up and see that this may just be how the style is supposed to be. You know, just a little bit of fading around the boot buckle there. And then some rustic look. So this was an awesome find, guys. Definitely be able to price these at $50 to $100, just depending on the style. I'll have to look up the style of this, but they're in amazing condition, so I can't wait to list those. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to put out more videos for you. If you found it helpful, be sure you do subscribe.